Hello everyone, my name is Utkarshi Chauhan and I am a student of BTech IT third year from DAVV IIPS. So in the previous video we had discussed about the data preparation and now we will discuss about the exploratory data analysis in this video. So these all are the topics that we will discuss in this video. So first we will understand with the help of PPT and then we will understand with the help of codes. So let's get started with the help of PPT. So, exploratory data analysis, bar graph with overlay, unwilling comparison is comparative analysis. Bar graph with the overlays are powerful for comparing two data sets side by side. These allow you to visualize the difference and the similarity between groups and revealing interesting trends. And then contingency tables examine relationship between the category 1, category 2 and the category 3. Contingency tables also known as a cross-tabulation summarize data in a grid format revealing the relationship between two or more categorical variables, and each cell represents a combination of categories and their corresponding frequency. As you see in the interface like that, and uh, and then histogram with overlay, understanding distribution and distribution inside the histograms, especially with overlays, are excellent for understanding the distribution of a contiguous variables and observe the shape, spread, and potential outliers across the multiple data sets. And then binding based on predictive value, grouping for insight, predictive value Predictive value mining is the process of grouping data into specific intervals known as beans. When combined with predictive value, mining allow you to identify group with distinct characteristic and potential outcomes. And target analysis is this technique enables targeted analysis within specific beans, leading to more nuanced understand and effective decision making. Now let's understand with the help of code. So first one is how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python. So first we import a matplotlib.py plot as split. This is used for creating graph and import numpy as np, and then x is equals to a b c d, y is equals to 5 8 7 10 and y to 4 7 6 9. And then we prepare the data. We define two data set y1 and y2 and their corresponding categories a b c d, and then bar width is equals to 0.3, sets the width of each bar graph in the bar graph, and then we create a bar plots. So plt dot bar, so plt dot bar to plot a y1 and y2 as two sets of bars using colors blue and orange and making them semi-transparent with alpha is equals to 0.6. And then we add labels and titles with plt x label categories, and the x axis labeled as categories and the y axis as values, and the title sets as bar graph with overlay. And then adding xticks, plt xticks np dot arrange length x plus bar width divided by 2 comma x, and this we adjust the xticks to center them between the two bar for each category, and then show legend and plot. uh, finally a legend is added to a difference between the two data set, and the graph is displayed with the plt show. And then we will move to the another topic, how to construct a contingency table using Python. So first we import a pandas library in that. Then we create a simple data sample data, and we define a dictionary data containing two list, category and outcome. These represent two categorical values. Now we will understand the output of this code. So this graph data set 1 and data set 2. For category A, the value of data set 1 is higher than data set 2, and the for category B, data set 1 is also has a slightly higher value, and for category C, Dataset 1 is again has a higher value, and for category D, dataset 1 has a highest value of 10, while dataset 2 is slightly lower. And then we move on to the another topic, how to construct a contingency table using Python. So first we import a Panda library, and then we create a sample data. We define a dictionary data containing two list, category and outcome. These represent two category variables. And then we create a data frame using df is equals to pd dot data frame and data. This function creates a data from the dictionary, organizing the data into rows and columns. And then for creating a contingency table, use the pd dot cross tab. This function is used to create a contingency table. It calculates how often each combination of values from category and output occurs. And then contingency table structure, in this case, it will show the count of yes and no for both category A and B. Then and then we will see the output of this code, and this is the output of this code: category A and 1, no 1 and 2, and yes 2 and 1. Now we will move to another topic, how to construct histogram with overlay using Python. So first we import a matplot library dot pyplot as plt for creating graph and importing numpy as np. Then we create a sample data. Data 1 and data 2 are generated using np.random.normal, which creates a random data with a normal distribution. The first data set has a mean of 0, and the second has a mean of 1. And then we create a histogram using plt.hist is used to create histogram for both data set. And we set beans 30 and to divide data into 13 intervals. And for transparency, alpha is equals to zero point 0. And then color is blue and orange. And then we add the labels and title. In x-axis values, and y-axis frequency, and the title of the histograph is histogram with overlay. And for adding and for show the legend and plot, use the plt.legend and plt.show. And now we will see the output of this code. So this is the output of the above code. So the blue bar represent the frequency distribution of data set 1, and yellow represent the frequency distribution of data set 2, and the overlapping area of two histograph is shown in a mixed color brownish. And the legend at the top and the legend at the top right indicates which color corresponding to which dataset x-axis. And the represent value of data points the dataset ranging approximately from -3 to 4 y-axis, and represent the frequency of occurrence of the value within a specific interval within the interval. And then we understand fourth topic, how to perform binding based on predictive value using Python. So first we import a pandas library, and then we import a numpy. Then we create a sample data. We create a data frame df containing a list 1, 2, 2.5, 3 point, and so on. And then we define a beans. We define a beans to specify the range for binding 0, 3, 6, 9. Then we create a bean labels. Labels is equal to low, medium, high. High are assigned to the new column bean in the data frame. Then Then what is the result? The data frame now has a new column showing which each value belongs to. And then for output, just print df, and then now we will see the output of this code. So this is the code. This is the output of this code. Now, so thank you for watching my video. So this is the output of this code, and in the next video we will learn the data preparation phase to model the data. These all are the topics that we will learn in the next video. So thank you for watching my video.